It's your boy Junior, aka King V.
And your girl Amber.
And welcome to the Roommates. Today, we having one of Keisha's creations. We having a cheeseburger wrap, fresh from Keisha's kitchen.
So roomies, go get your plates.
Grab your food.
And come sit down and eat with us.
And while you at it,
don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button.
So you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video.
Enjoy watching.
Now let's eat. Hey roomie, how you doing? If you're new,
welcome.
And if you've been here a while, you know it's time for this countdown.
Well, if you've been here for a while, I want to salute you. But it's time for that countdown. I just want to show y'all this before I bite into it. This is a cheeseburger wrap. She wrapped the cheeseburger and all the goodies in the burrito shell.
I never thought I'd be eating this. Never in my life.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's unbelievable.
That's good.
That is just crazy good.
I got that Beyond Meat in mine. A lot of people don't know that Beyond Meat sell packages of meat now. And Keisha made a burger with them. And ooh, this right here, this is too good.
I love burgers even more eating this.
Some vegan daiya creamy Caesar.
And some Himalayan sea salt going on my fries. I gotta flavor the fries, roommates. You know I don't like it bland.
I mean, you be going crazy with the salt.
That's because I like it to taste just like McDonald's fries. You know how they have theirs salty?
Yeah, this salad dressing almost over with.
I think you still got ranch. That way, you got other options. Now this is one big fry. I almost cursed. I forgot.
It's family friendly.
Yeah.
Keisha gonna be mad that I ate all salad dressing.
You know, Caesar is actually one of my favorite types of salad dressing.
Caesar is one of the craziest conquerors in world history.
Oh yeah, he's the one that had to fight Goliath, wasn't he?
That was David.
Oh! I get them confused. Oh wait, no. He had to fight Brutus.
I don't know if he fought Brutus or not. I don't know who Brutus is. I thought Popeye fought Brutus.
I thought Brutus was a giant. Because I saw that movie Mean Girls, they were doing a book report about Caesar and Brutus.
You might be right, Amber, but I don't know about the giant part. I don't know. I just want to know how you got Caesar and King David mixed up.
I watch too much TV, that's why.
And don't read enough books, huh?
No. Look at that. Look at how the inside of that looks. Isn't that pretty? It's got guacamole in there. It's got vegetables. Keisha made a special for us.
Got grilled onions.
Uh-huh. You can't get no creation like this in the restaurant. You gotta come here to Keisha's kitchen.
Well, you let us know when you're coming. Don't just pop up at the crib. You ain't getting in. You know what's crazy? Is we had a crazy day today.
Yeah.
Give me a paper towel.
We did start from the beginning.
Oh man, not from the very beginning.
Not from the very beginning, but
Because we went to the gym today, and that was a whole nother story. We ain't really talk about that, but we had an experience with. I know y'all probably seen some of Amber videos talking about the Uber drivers. I want to tell you, Uber drivers, I love y'all. I love y'all. So I've never experienced nothing like I experienced today, and it was from a Lyft driver.
I've experienced them before.
You ain't never experienced that from no Uber driver. Okay, let me tell y'all what the Lyft driver do. Like, today for some reason I couldn't get my phone to work, so I couldn't get my Uber app to work. And I had to call my younger sister to order me a Uber, but she used Lyft. So she sent me a Lyft. Alright, for one, off the rip, the Lyft, I've never been in a Uber vehicle that was raggedy.
Oh, that was raggedy.
This car had dents in it and everything.
That's why it wasn't an Uber, because it was raggedy. It wouldn't have made the charts for Uber. Uber is very strict.
But we was trying to get home, so I was like, okay, forget that. We gotta take this car. We gonna take this ride. But when we get in the car, he tell us that he accidentally hit the
drop
off instead of the pickup.
Yeah.
But my sister gets the receipt saying that how much the trip is for. He telling us that he only gonna get $3. My sister got a receipt saying it's $10, but he telling us $3.
How stupid did he really think that we were?
But
we're not gonna look at the damn app.
But here's the cap. After we were like, all right, forget that. We just get out the car and order another Lyft. He said y'all can pay us in cash.
Pay you for what? For not driving me anywhere? What the hell is that shit? You know, let me tell you something, Junior. When I first saw the Uber driver poke his stupid looking head out the window, I knew he was on bullshit. I had a feeling. I'm sorry.
Family friendly.
I knew he was on something. It's like that feeling you get like something just ain't right. Something just ain't right. I knew by looking at his slow looking face that there was something off with him. Off with his head.
I love Uber. But I figured out the problem with my phone and I was able to get my Uber. Oh man.
Thank God for that. Now we know to bring chargers.
All the phones died and everything. Oh man, we had a heck of a day today. The best part of the day is this meal.
Yep, it's this meal.
I thank the sun, moon, stars, and quasars for the hands that prepared this meal.
Yes, I thank God for the chef in our kitchen.
Man.
This burger wrap is so good. It's like you don't even need ketchup with it. It's just perfect the way it is, the way Keisha got it.
I should have made the burger smaller and have more vegetables. Like, maybe I should have had some quinoa inside.
Inside the burger?
Yeah. It'd have been more like a burrito then. I don't know.
You could call it a burger burrito, man.
Burrito burger?
Yeah, burrito burger.
Maybe that we'll do next time. A burrito burger.
I never thought that you could combine the burger with the burrito. Now they got something called They got something called what is it, like a, they could combine a taco with a pizza. They call it a pizza taco.
Well, they use the taco toppings on a pizza?
Yeah, they put the taco toppings on the pizza.
That'd be something to try.
But you gotta do it. Like if you do a video with it, you gotta do it when it's like good and ready. Because the stuff can wither.
I bet.
Because of lettuce, you know you can't have it that very long.
That's right here. This salad. Mm-mm.
I don't know what it is about the salad. But that arugula lettuce is just out of this world. It is a lot better tasting than romaine lettuce. The other day I made a salad. I tasted like I had got it from the restaurant. And I didn't even put no spices on it. I just made regular vegetables and dressing, but because of the difference in the lettuce, that made a difference in the taste.
Oh, yeah.
You use good quality lettuce, your salad's gonna taste like it came from a restaurant.
This one did come from a restaurant. From Keisha's kitchen. My kitchen's like a restaurant.
Yes, because she puts some restaurants to shame.
And that is a fact. I'm telling you. Most of the stuff that these restaurants cook, they don't hold a candle to how Keisha get down. I'm telling you.
No, there's no way, nowhere near.
Let me get that ketchup.
Oh.
Gotta try this ketchup.
This is so good with the guacamole. No, I don't need no ketchup. Pass me the ketchup. I want to eat on my last 4 fries. Look at this, you guys. Look at this big, huge fry. Big as my face. Look at that. See?
That is too good. All my crumbs and everything. I'm gonna steal one of Amber's lines.
What, Amber's what now?
One of your lines. I'm gonna use one of Amber's slogans. If you're not eating at Keisha's kitchen, you definitely missing out.
Well, that's true. Nobody could cook as good as Keisha. I want to thank whoever taught Keisha how to cook. If they were around right now, I'd give them a kiss on the cheek.
Man, that was good.
That was one good burger wrap.
Man, that was too good right there. Man, that was serious.
Yes, our day was like the no good, horrible, very bad day. It ended with a perfect meal. So this day ended wonderfully.
Yeah, this is a horrible, wonderful ending.
Yes.
A wonderful, yeah, a wonderful ending, yeah, to a horrible day. Right, that's what I would say.
So Roomies, thank you all for watching. We had so much fun eating and talking with you guys. We always love talking with the roommates and sharing all the interesting foods that Keisha makes in her kitchen for us. Would you like to add anything, Junior?
Thank you for letting us into your home, your house,
bathroom
your workspace, your bedroom. But if we're in the bathroom,
Wash your hands.
make sure you wash your hands. Don't come out the bathroom smelling like you was in the bathroom. And don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
and don't forget to hit that bell button.
So you can get future notifications every time the roommates drop a new video.
Thank you all for watching.
Peace out, y'all. We love you. Don't forget to live, love, and laugh. Bye, y'all.